Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about TotalAV, which is one of the best antivirus solutions in 2023. I've always been into tech and I really enjoyed trying out new products and antiviruses. So a couple months back, I bought a new laptop. While I was doing some research on the latest antivirus for my laptop, it got hacked. I could see several .exe files and sensed that the hacker had infected my new computer with spyware. And that's when I decided to go with TotalAV for my laptop security and privacy. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how they saved my system, also go over some features, pros and cons, and everything else you need to know before you buy an antivirus for your system security. And by the time we finish this review, you'll know if TotalAV is the right choice for you, or if you want to go with something else. And if at any point you'd like to check them out, check out the link in the description below to get a discount on your first year subscription. And by the way, you won't find this deal by going directly to their website. All right then, so let's get started. So TotalAV's advanced antivirus really helped my system get rid of malware and keeps it safe from hackers. It's a popular and budget-friendly antivirus solution that protects devices from a wide range of threats like viruses, phishing attacks, network intrusions, exploit attacks, and ransomware. With near-perfect malware detection rates and excellent web protection features, TotalAV turns out to be one of the best choices to protect devices from threats. They also offer a host of additional features that monitor devices' privacy and optimization. Okay, so now let's check out the efficiency of the antivirus scans. So there are 4 types of scans: quick scans, system scans, smart scans, and custom scans. Their fast scans are something that sets them apart from their competitors because most antiviruses take anywhere between 15 to a whole hour to complete a full system scan. And that's because TotalAV uses advanced cloud scanning, which means any suspicious files that they encounter are compared with their malware database in the cloud. Then the quick scan takes just a few seconds to scan the PC for temporary files, which are most likely to be infected. But in my case, it wasn't able to detect even a single threat. The smart scan can be scheduled to monitor cookies, junk files, and other malware, and the custom scan lets the user pick a specific file, folder, or disk to monitor for threats. And next up, we have the real-time protection and web protection features. So the real-time protection feature with TotalAV is always active by default. It constantly monitors the PC for malware that gets downloaded accidentally or enters the system through other connections. And when I tried to download a .exe file, it immediately caught that malware and warned me of the threat. The cloud scanning feature makes it possible to detect zero-day threats in real time accurately without any false positives. They also provide real-time ransomware protection through the ransomware simulator that identifies threatened files and blocks the execution before ransomware could modify them at all. Now, the web protection and anti-phishing feature with TotalAV comes as a browser extension called Web Shield. It can be downloaded for most browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Opera, and it provides protection against online threats, scams, and other security and privacy risks. And what's great is that it's better than the built-in protections of Chrome and Firefox. I can say this because I tried this feature against those of Chrome and Firefox. While some suspicious websites were passed by both browsers, Web Shield blocked them automatically. And one thing that I really like about it is that it allows me to whitelist certain websites that I trust. So while it's certainly an automatic feature, it also gave me some control over its functionality. Now, it also prevents cookies from tracking my internet activities, protecting my privacy. Then there's a safe search feature that highlights web search results in red or green, where red stands for risky URLs and green stands for safer ones. And having said that, a downside to TotalAV is that it lacks a firewall, but with their strong web protection, anti-phishing, and real-time protection features, I didn't really miss having it at all. Okay, let's go over some of their additional features. They offer system tune-up tools, a VPN, a password manager, an ad blocker, and identity theft protection with coverage. Now, the system tune-up tools include a startup manager, which gives me the ability of deciding which applications run automatically when I turn on my system. Then the application uninstaller works the same way as Windows add or remove program feature, but it allows deleting unwanted apps all at once. Now, the next feature is called the browser cleanup feature. It's my personal favorite because it helps clear cookies from the browsers, making it impossible for websites to track me. Then there's a duplicate file finder that finds and deletes duplicate files in my system. And lastly, the junk cleaner removes unwanted files and clears cache memory after an application is uninstalled. Now let's move on to discuss the VPN's features. It's really fast compared to the VPNs that other antiviruses offer, includes unlimited data, and has 48 servers in more than 38 countries. I particularly like this feature because it works with almost all streaming platforms. I can easily access geo-restricted content from other countries on platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Disney Plus, and it works great. And not just that, the VPN even provided internet security and privacy by encrypting my internet traffic and making me anonymous for my internet service provider and online snoopers. Then TotalAV also offers a basic password vault to save passwords, suggest strong passwords, and autofill them whenever needed. Now, I browse the web through my smartphone as much as I do on my laptop, or maybe even more. But this feature being restricted only to PCs didn't let me access any of my password protected accounts through my phone. So this is a bit of a downside, but given that our smartphones do have this feature automatically, usually, it's okay if I'm not able to access it through my phone. The next feature is their ad block browser extension, which blocks pesky and dangerous ads even on YouTube. And the last additional feature that they provide is identity theft protection with coverage which is exclusively available for US residents. It monitors the internet as well as the dark web forums for any data breaches of users' personal information, such as credit card numbers, social security numbers or SSN, bank account numbers, etc. If it finds any compromised details, it sends an alert and helps restore the information. In addition to that, they also offer a generous compensation of up to $1 million against the stolen identity. However, this amount is subject to some terms and conditions that you can check on their official website. All right, let's get into the user interface. It's really quite intuitive. It's designed with both beginners and advanced users in mind and offers great user experiences. The installation process is really straightforward, taking just about 5 or so minutes for both desktop and mobile apps. Now, even though it's feature-packed, the antivirus isn't too complicated. There's a simple layout and it's well organized. It has icons for various functions to ensure a user-friendly experience. And when I began, I could see 4 main tabs on the dashboard: antivirus, system boost, disk cleaner, and web security, which is quite simple for anyone to figure out. Although the Web Shield browser extension was a little bit more complex to understand initially, with a little time, I really became used to it. Okay, so now that we've discussed a lot about TotalAV's features, let's go over their pricing plans. The best part about them is that they offer a free plan with basic web protection and malware detection features. And if you're looking at advanced protection with real-time detection, ransomware protection, cloud-based scanning, and additional features, their paid plans are definitely the way to go. They offer 3 different pricing options ranging from $30 to $50 for the first year of subscription. Now, since all their plans are really affordable, I'd recommend going with the Total Security plan, which costs about $50 for the first year and includes the highest level of protection along with all the additional features for up to 6 devices. All their plans are backed by a 7-day free trial and a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can give them a try completely risk-free. So in the end, would I recommend TotalAV to you? Well, absolutely. Their top-notch features and real-time detections are some of the best in the industry. The features not only protect against malware, cyber attacks, phishing sites, and identity theft, but also optimize the device itself. While there are a few things that have room for improvement like any product, TotalAV is one of the best antiviruses out there for total system security. All right, so that's going to be it for today's video. If you found it helpful, like and subscribe for more. And if you're interested in checking out TotalAV, check out the link in the description below to get that discount off your first year subscription that I mentioned below. Let us know if you have any questions or thoughts in the comments down below. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.